Getting your flooring materials estimated right is a total game changer, and laser measuring devices are seriously making that way easier for flooring contractors. So, here's the deal. Laser measuring devices help you get super accurate measurements without having to drag around tape measures or guess distances. You just point the device at the floor or wall, hit a button, and boom, it spits out the exact number you need. That means fewer mistakes and way less wasted material. Also, these gadgets save time because you can measure big areas fast, even if it's a tricky room shape or hard to reach spot. Another cool thing is they often connect to apps where you can save and organize your measurements right on your phone. That way, you don't lose track of numbers or mess up when calculating how much flooring you need. Plus, lots of laser devices have built-in calculators for area and volume, which is clutch when figuring out how many boxes of tile or planks to buy. And honestly, using tech like this looks professional, so clients feel more confident in your work. One of the biggest screw-ups with flooring material estimation is using old-school tape measures that cause inaccurate readings. Fix it by switching to laser measuring devices. Another common mistake is forgetting to account for waste or cuts when ordering materials. Always add a little extra, like 5 to 10% more, depending on the pattern and room shape. Lastly, not double-checking measurements before buying can lead to major headaches and extra costs. Take your time to verify numbers, maybe measure twice, and confirm with your app or device before placing an order. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff and use smart tools like laser measures to deliver accurate results. At the same time, it gives contractors a platform to connect with serious clients and grow their business without the usual hassle of marketing or chasing leads.